What's up, car fans? We've got ourselves another treat today. Brand new 2019 BMW Mini Cooper S. Very good looking, subtle car with some amazing detail. And being the Cooper S, she drives beautifully, handles like a go-kart, very, very quick, pops and bangs. And the interior quality is absolutely amazing. We'll just check out inside. We'll do a run through of the start up and let you guys hear the pops and bangs and just get a feel for what the interior is like on this thing as well. And hopefully you guys will enjoy this one. Can someone rev it just while I yeah, just so we can get the noise.
No more.
One more.
Four neighbours in here, that.